Hi everyone, it's Thursday evening and I've just learned that students are having a difficult time finding the feedback that I always give on their work. So I thought I would do this quick video to demonstrate how to see the feedback, starting with looking at my grades. So what I'm looking at here as my demo student are the grades that I've earned so far in the class. Hopefully your grades look a lot different. What I'd like to start with is showing you how to find your grade when you take a quiz. This Adventures of an IT Leader is the only quiz we'll have in our course, but you may well have quizzes in other classes, so I hope this is helpful. You click on the turquoise link, and what you see is a pretty boring screen. All you get is your grade. But this grade is actually a hyperlink. So click on the grade, and what you should see is the entire quiz, your instructions, and your answer, and my feedback. The feedback will always start with this phrase, response feedback. Here you'll see my response to question 2 and my response to question 3. Now your screen may look a little different because you're an actual student and I am a demo student here. So when I view my own work, I don't have the same resources available to me that you will have. But my responses will always show up in the quiz. So if I'm satisfied with this, I simply press OK at the bottom of the screen to return to my attempt. If I go back to my grades, and some students took this quiz as an assignment, and this link here brings you to the assignment, which looks a little different. And this example, this was my sample work as a student. I, as a student, also made a little comment to my instructor, begging for mercy. And the feedback that I was able to do just to my demo student is listed here. But in your work, if you click on the document, you should be able to see extensive comments. Some areas may be highlighted, some phrasing may be crossed out and then corrected. So I'd like you to take a look at the detailed comments there. I'll never assign you a grade without explaining many things that you did right and things that need improvement. And click OK. And I hope this helps, and I'll use this as another opportunity to urge you, please, 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 if you're struggling with something or you can't make the system work the way I'm telling you it should work, please post your questions and concerns in the class cafe. I subscribe to that so I can get back to you pretty quickly. I hope this was helpful.